guys, welcome back to my channel Runji's Food Masti. Today I will be sharing 2 recipes of tortilla wraps. It is made of ingredients which is available anywhere. So without further delay, let's start cooking. I have already kept the pan for heating, so add half tablespoon of oil, olive oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add 1 tablespoon of spring onion. I have taken spring onion because these are mild. You can take regular onion also. Saute it well for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add 2 tablespoons of capsicum, bell pepper. I have taken red and orange. You can take green also if you do not get red or orange. That will also do. Saute it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add 2 tablespoons of cubed tofu and saute it for 1 minute. Again 1 to 2 minutes. Let us add the seasoning. 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes and 4 teaspoon oregano powder. Little salt as per your taste. Whenever you take out tofu from the box, you have to dab it with tissue paper because it has lot of content of water. So just dab it with tissue paper to get rid of excess water. Now 2 minutes are over. I had sauteed it on medium flame only. It was not on high flame. Take this out and keep it aside. Let it cool down. I have taken half avocado, mash it with a spoon and add half tablespoon of lime juice. After adding lime juice, add salt and little pepper for seasoning. Pepper. Now let's assemble the things. I have taken 1 tortilla roti. This is store bought. You can make this at home also, or you can do this with regular Indian roti. That is chapati. So just as a guideline, lightly fold it so that you get the markings. Now cut this till the center. That's it. Now spread the avocado mixture on one section. You can use anything of your choice. You can use potato also, cheese. You can use pizza sauce. Whatever you want, you can do variation of your choice. Now add tofu and bell pepper mixture on the other section. Add little sriracha sauce on the avocado. So keep some green leaves or lettuce on the third section. And now the fourth one will have cheese. You can use any cheese. You can use cheese slice also. I have used shredded mozzarella cheese. I forgot to add little seasoning on the lettuce leaves, the mixed green leaves, salt and pepper. We will start with folding this side, the first one here, then fold it like this here, and then the last one. Yeah, and keep it aside. We will make the second one. We will make the second one. Fold it lightly in the same manner so that you get the guideline. If you want to do it in a very Indian style, then you can use aloo tikki, you can use vegetable cutlet, salad leaves, tomato ketchup and cheese. Whatever you want, you can do it. Cut it till the center. Now half portion we will apply Nutella, or you can apply chocolate syrup. Half portion I will apply cream cheese. You can apply Nutella on the full tortilla, that is also okay, but this will give a better taste. Now keep strawberry slices on the cream cheese portion. You can use any fruit of your choice. You can use banana also, that will also taste equally good. I have strawberries at home today, so I am using strawberries. Now fold this this way, then it is this way. That's it. Now we will grill this on the pan. Grease the pan with little olive oil. I am grilling the first one, the avocado tortilla wrap, because the second one we will do it in butter. Spread it nicely. And keep the cheese side down. The gas is on medium flame. And grill it till the bottom side is little grilled. Press it lightly when it is being grilled. After 2 minutes, let us flip it and grill the other side. Look at the color. It's looking lovely. Now grill this side for 2 minutes. The other side is also done. 2 minutes are over. So let us take this out. Keep it here. You can use chicken also instead of tofu if you are a non-vegetarian person. You can use cottage cheese. That can also do. Now let us clean the pan first and keep this strawberry tortilla. It was done within 1.5 minutes. So now let's do the other side. Now both the sides are well done and it is ready to eat. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, happy cooking. Take care. Bye.